Good morning to everyone present here, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we have gathered to celebrate a very important day in our nation's history, Constitution Day, also known as Samvidhan Divas, observed on November 26 every year. On this day in 1949, the Constitution of India was formally adopted by the Constituent Assembly, and it came into effect on January 26, 1950, marking the beginning of a new chapter in India's journey as a sovereign, democratic, and republic nation. The Constitution is not just a legal document, it is the backbone of our democracy, ensuring that every citizen enjoys equal rights, freedom, and justice. Drafted under the guidance of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the Constitution is a result of meticulous planning, deep thought, and contributions from some of the greatest minds of that era. It reflects the aspirations of the people and upholds the core principles of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. The Constitution guarantees fundamental rights, which empower us to express ourselves, to practice any religion, to educate ourselves, and to live freely with dignity. It also outlines the duties of citizens to uphold the sovereignty and integrity of the nation, to promote harmony, and to respect the rich cultural heritage of India. As students, it is our responsibility to understand the significance of our Constitution and follow its guiding principles in our daily lives. We must respect the diversity of our country and work towards creating a more inclusive and just society. Let us celebrate Constitution Day with pride and remember that the Constitution is not a static document but a living one that continues to evolve as we progress as a nation. Thank you.